There's a before and after in the technological era, and at the forefront of this revolution stands OpenAI. Founded in December 2015, OpenAI is a pioneering artificial intelligence research organization and company dedicated to developing advanced AI technologies. They are the masterminds behind groundbreaking creations like ChatGPT and DALL, which have left an indelible mark on the world of technology. At OpenAI, their passion for pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve is evident in each of their projects. They are committed to shaping the future of artificial intelligence, sharing their findings with the community, and tirelessly working to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity. In a world where technology is advancing by leaps and bounds, OpenAI is the driving force redefining what's possible with AI. Join us in this video as we unravel the latest developments that OpenAI has to offer in the ever-changing world of AI. OpenAI has earned its reputation through groundbreaking innovations like GPT-4, a powerful tool that generates intricate textual context from simple prompts, and Copilot, designed to assist software engineers in automating code creation. Established in December 2015, OpenAI emerged as a global trailblazer in artificial intelligence, initially operating as a non-profit organization. Their fundamental mission has always been to ensure that the benefits of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, are shared by all of humanity. As we step into the future, OpenAI's significance is poised to grow exponentially, with the continuous evolution of AI technology becoming a cornerstone in various industries. OpenAI's vision and initiatives remain crucial in ensuring these advancements serve the greater good. One of their remarkable creations, ChatGPT, made its debut on November 30th, 2022, and swiftly captured widespread attention. Breaking barriers in the tech world, ChatGPT achieved an unprecedented milestone by garnering 1 million users in less than 5 days, setting a new standard in the industry. With each iteration of the generative pre-trained transformer GPT model, OpenAI has consistently aimed to enhance its capabilities in functionality, responsiveness, and notably, security. Now, GPT-4 marks a significant leap in functionality, most notably seen in its improved ability to understand context and generate responses that are contextually relevant. This heightened functionality and enhanced responsiveness have a profound impact on user interactions, making AI an even more valuable tool across a wide array of applications. The launch of GPT-4 has sparked immense excitement and anticipation, as it stands as the most advanced and potent AI model to date. ChatGPT-4 has effectively demonstrated its enhanced proficiency in performing basic reasoning tasks. Its ability to summarize text passages with words starting with the same letter highlights its utility, particularly in educational contexts where it can efficiently distill lengthy texts and provide more effective feedback to students. Its improved performance in these assessments suggests its superiority in certain fundamental reasoning tasks compared to ChatGPT. But OpenAI has also made substantial progress in enhancing the security and precision of ChatGPT-4, solidifying its status as a more reliable tool. The model exhibits an 82% reduction in the likelihood of responding to content requests that fall outside OpenAI's guidelines, and a 60% reduction in the likelihood of generating inaccurate or false information. These improvements have been achieved through reinforcement learning and human feedback, with the model designed to learn from its own errors. The team subjected GPT-4 to biased, inaccurate, or offensive inputs, and then fine-tuned the model to reject such inputs in the future. Notably, ChatGPT-4 outperforms its predecessor in various human benchmark tests, including the Uniform Bar Exam and the Biology Olympiad. Pero lo que resultó una verdadera noticia fue su última iteration, known as ChatGPT Vision, that adds a new dimension to its capabilities. ChatGPT can now see, hear, and speak in a sense. While it doesn't possess actual sight, it can process and analyze image inputs, making its abilities remarkably reminiscent of those of the human brain. ChatGPT Vision represents OpenAI's most recent advancements in integrating multimodal capabilities into its generative AI chatbot. For subscribers of ChatGPT+, you can now seamlessly upload images to the ChatGPT app on iOS or Android, enabling the chatbot to recognize and understand your visual submissions, further enhancing its interactive potential. ChatGPT-4 represents a significant breakthrough in the fields of natural language processing and AI. Its ability to engage with both text and images, coupled with its enhanced performance in various human evaluations, positions it as a valuable tool across diverse industries. Its heightened security, precision, and proficiency in fundamental reasoning tasks make it a dependable and efficient tool with the potential to revolutionize nearly any industry. While the power begins with ChatGPT, it doesn't end there. OpenAI has introduced the third version of DALL-E, showcasing significant improvements in harmonizing text and image generation. It takes textual cues and transforms them into intricate, detailed images with greater precision and coherence, reflecting a profound understanding of the provided context. This advancement makes it an invaluable tool in areas such as content creation, design, and education, where visual representation plays a crucial role in effectively conveying ideas and concepts. The updated model is meticulously trained to capture nuanced textual signals and translate them into visually appealing images that adhere to the essence of the message. This intricate synergy between language and AI's interpretation of images is essential for generating coherent and contextually relevant images, a feature immensely promising for a multitude of industries, including gaming, entertainment, and digital art. The launch of DALL-E's third version personifies OpenAI's relentless pursuit of excellence in the field of artificial intelligence. By continually refining and enhancing their models, OpenAI is shaping the future of how we interact with and harness AI, fostering an environment where technological innovation and human creativity converge to solve complex problems and create new possibilities. The ongoing evolution of DALL-E underscores the infinite potential inherent in generative AI models. It invites us to envision a future where the boundaries between textual descriptions and visual representations are seamless, and where our ideas, thoughts, and visions can be effortlessly visualized and shared with the world. As artificial intelligence technology advances, so does the fear surrounding it. This concern is not lost on OpenAI, which has already unveiled its strategy to mitigate risks associated with superintelligence, superalignment. OpenAI is assembling a dedicated team to focus on this, setting a 4-year deadline for its goal. What's the objective? To be capable of controlling AI systems that are much more intelligent than humans, hence the term superalignment. The ability to align superintelligence with human values. Think of it as Asimov's 3 laws of robotics, but broader and applied to AI. The term superintelligence, used by OpenAI, signifies an evolution from AGI, or artificial general intelligence. While AGI refers to AI's ability to replicate human tasks, superintelligence denotes a level of capability far beyond human capacity, poised to solve global-scale problems that were previously unsolvable. OpenAI believes that superintelligence could become a reality within this decade. Its immense power, however, also poses a risk that could lead to humanity being disempowered or even human extinction. Within the 4-year time frame, OpenAI aims to address the core technical challenges associated with superintelligence alignment. This means achieving this goal by 2027, likely towards the end of the decade, a time frame the company deems feasible for the arrival of such superintelligence. For now, what we know is that each of these plans and projects demands an immense amount of effort, not to mention the costs they entail. That's why OpenAI is gearing up for its next endeavor, manufacturing its own artificial intelligence chips. Chips have become pivotal in the development of this technological field, and as a leading industry player, OpenAI seeks to avoid being constrained by the worldwide stock of third-party providers. See, right now, NVIDIA is leading the field in the manufacture of artificial intelligence chips, and they supply products to all companies in this industry. But note this, for Sam Altman, the head of OpenAI, maintaining high-quality chips is a top priority. Going beyond addressing the GPU shortage, manufacturing their own semiconductors would grant them the freedom to reduce costs throughout their artificial intelligence supply chain, while avoiding direct reliance on external suppliers. AI consumes a significant amount of energy and demands highly advanced chips to function effectively. Even a seemingly straightforward query in ChatGPT, such as asking about the best movies of the 2000s, places a substantial demand on OpenAI, necessitating the implementation of more advanced integrated circuits. To simplify matters, consider that each ChatGPT inquiry costs the company approximately 4 cents. However, with the enhanced features of ChatGPT-4, including voice communication and image analysis, the costs multiply. Given that the service reached 100 million monthly users within its first 2 months, this translates to millions of queries daily. To put this in perspective, in order to match just a tenth of the search volume that Google receives, OpenAI would need to acquire roughly $48.1 billion in graphics cards and $16 billion in chips annually to sustain operations. While they have not yet arrived at a final decision, OpenAI is carefully evaluating this alternative. Recently, their CEO has made chip acquisition a top priority for the company, also expressing concerns about the shortage of graphics processing units. We'll likely have more updates soon, but overall, OpenAI continues to redefine the limits of what AI can achieve. life. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How has your life improved since the arrival of GPT? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on every technological advancement. See you soon!